This is mind-boggling, but I've connected Claude Cowork on two of my laptops. They started communicating with one another and completed absolutely autonomous tasks. I could see how Claude is moving my mouse, clicking websites, and completing the tasks in real time. So this is what we're going to be talking today. How to scale your business and improve your life. If you're using Claude to write you an ebook or to create you a script for a YouTube video, you're probably missing out a lot because I was just like you. But then I realized I can use Claude as an employee, more specifically Claude Cowork. So today I'm going to show you how I turn my AI into ROI. And these are the steps we're going to see. How to transfer memories from ChatGPT, what are global instructions, how to use plan mode, how to structure your folders, and how to install plugins. If you're like me, trying to make money online, or you have an online business, or you're a freelancer or busy professional, this tremendously can increase your revenue. Claude Cowork is an AI desktop assistant for non-developers. It can manage your files, it can automate tasks, filter out your email inbox, organize senders, subject lines, etc. It also can reply to emails or routine messages, so you don't have to type your messages or emails yourself. For creators like myself, YouTubers, bloggers, TikTokers, etc., you can tell it to upload YouTube videos on a specific schedule. It can actually extract transcripts from other videos, from your competitor videos, and study them and improve your own scripts. It can generate blog posts, short form content, and email sequences. For example, let's say you have a website where you sell a product and you create an abandonment sequence. Basically, if someone comes to your website but doesn't purchase, then Claude Cowork can start sending them a series of emails to remind them, hey, you left your basket or your cart hanging out there. Why don't you come back and finish your checkout process, right? For managers, you can assign tasks, you can set up project deadlines, and you can send weekly updates to your colleagues via Slack. But for creators like myself, I can schedule content uploads, I can batch social media posts at once, and I can organize collaborations with other creators. To download Claude Desktop, because you need it in order to use Cowork, go to your Claude.ai website and click this icon, Get Apps and Extensions, at the bottom corner. Once you do so, you're going to see a bunch of these goodies, but what you need is actually this one, the Cowork download for Mac OS. For you, it's going to be Windows or Mac OS, whatever machine you're using. Once you download, it's pretty straightforward, a simple install, and then you're going to have it like this. Now, this is my last session where I connected it to my other computer, in which I'm actually showing video right now probably. Those two computers communicate with one another, and while I'm working here on this computer, Cowork completes a task on my other computer, so I don't have to waste time. And I'm going to show you the exact task that I'm completing. So the first thing you need to do is, if you're just getting started with Claude Cowork, transfer memories from ChatGPT. If you've been using ChatGPT, because everybody used to use ChatGPT a lot, so you need to transfer all the memories from ChatGPT to your Claude Cowork, so it knows you, knows your profession and or what you do, so it can better pinpoint the answers. In Cowork Desktop, click your name right here, go to settings, and as you can see, I already have an info about myself. What personal preferences should Claude consider in responses, right? So all of this is info about myself, my career highlights and achievements, who am I, what I've done, etc., etc. Go to your ChatGPT account right here and just ask ChatGPT to give you all the info it has for you. For example, hey ChatGPT, can you please give me a brief on everything you know about me, what I do, my achievements, etc. I need a full bio about myself, my brand tonality. In other words, everything you know about myself, about me, Ross Minchev. One way to do it, I can literally highlight all the text that it gives me. As you can see, everything is sorted nicely, achievements, etc., etc. So copy and paste everything ChatGPT knows about you and paste it into the Claude desktop. That's it. Next, global instructions. We go back to Claude, and if we go to the new task, now think about what you spend most of your time explaining to any AI to do or to do better. That's your global instructions. For example, I always tell Claude to reason with me and critique itself. Before every answer, critique yourself and give me reasoning why these are the correct answers and why they're not other answers. So this sentence right here, I'm just simply gonna copy it, go to settings, and now this time go to Cowork. Right? And in here, you see, you have global instructions, and here we're going to paste this, boom. Before every answer, critique yourself and give your reasoning, right? Now, I'm not gonna click save because we're coming to our next point, plan mode. This is also related to the global instructions. This is the critical sentence for the plan mode. You can literally copy and paste it as you see it here on my computer. Always show a plan, wait for my approval, then execute. Why? Because quite often Claude and other AI tools will start executing some plans without asking you, wasting your credits for the tool and overwriting previous answers, which pisses me off most of the times when I already have a good result, good AI output, and all of a sudden I just prompt one simple sentence, hey, could you please just change this little thing? And it changes the whole result, and it pisses me off. So this is important for you. Always show a plan for you to approve. Number 4, the folder structure, and then the plugins on number 5. So these are pretty interesting. So let me show you real quick how to do that. Once you're under Cowork right here, you can click work in a project. Create a specific folder, because usually Claude creates one major folder and puts all the files there. But what I recommend is whenever you're working on a new task or a new project, create a new folder for each and every project. Keep it neat and organized. I already have like Claude folder, but I can choose another project or choose a different folder. And once you choose a folder or different folder, it's going to prompt you to select one, whatever you like. And you just create one and prompt that folder. And after this is done, the final thing you need to do, go to this sand, click the plus, and then go to plugins. Here you're going to find a vast amount of tools that can help you automate and create content, automate tasks, etc. So go with the productivity plugin for sure, and then also go with the marketing plugin for sure. And to see what each of these plugins do, you simply click it and you can read it right here. For example, the productivity manages tasks, plan your day, and build up memory of important context about your work. Now, on the left sidebar, I have this big task. And this is what I showed you in the beginning of this video, the two laptops working together. And so what I said to Claude is, I want you to migrate some of my videos from one of my dashboards to another dashboard. So I have a school community right here. It's called Profit Evangelists. And I have classrooms. So I told Claude, hey, I want you to duplicate this course, Affiliate Profit Blueprint, create a draft and call it Affiliate Profit Blueprint Loom, because I want you to download all the videos from Vimeo and upload them to Loom. And look at this. So right now we are in Classroom, Profit Evangelists, Affiliate Profit Blueprint, and it actually recreated the same course, Affiliate Profit Blueprint, right here, Affiliate Profit Blueprint -Loom. And if I open it, hopefully it's gonna have some videos. Yes, there we go. So all of these videos and all of these courses, this curriculum that you see, all the names, everything here is done by AI. I didn't have to do anything myself, which is mind-boggling. It created everything on its own. It's nuts, guys. I went on this computer that I'm currently recording this video, and I prompted it to do that. It went on my computer, it created the folder for me, it loaded all of these things, and as you can see, this is my dashboard from school, and started creating all of these modules, new videos, and started uploading the videos. Back in the day, I used to do this manually, downloading videos, uploading videos, naming them, and it was such a waste of time. Now, Claude does it for me, uploading videos, naming them, and structure them like they're supposed to look like. And I actually confronted the AI because I saw here that I first saw this Affiliate Profit Blueprint Loom, and I saw it's empty, and I got pissed off, and I asked the Claude like, hey, Affiliate Profit Blueprint is empty. You haven't uploaded any videos. And it actually critiqued me, and it says, hey Ross, there are two different draft courses. I've been working on Affiliate Profit Blueprint with a dash. You see, Affiliate Profit Blueprint with dash already has 18 of 19 lessons, fully connected to Loom. All right, and so I'm gonna say, all right, that's perfect, but what's happening with the last video? Because I see there are 18 out of 19 videos. So let me show you real time. Okay, so the error is in me, it's not in the AI. So I haven't uploaded this video yet. So yeah, but huge potential. You can automate tasks, as you can see. You can use it as your coworker or like an employee or a VA. And now the final thing is, once you have this vast task or like enormous task, you don't have to do it over and over again. Once something is completed, you can turn it into a skill. So every time you need more videos to be re-uploaded or transferred from one platform to another, you can simply click this arrow right here and turn this into a skill. In other words, you're going to train the Cowork to complete the same task over and over again. If you want to see how I'm actually using AI in my other businesses, how we use AI to actually make money online and just create businesses, watch the video in the top right corner, or it's right here, where I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can make some extra cash on the site.